Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a big vehicle. It's yellow. It takes kids to school. Many people can fit inside. Have you guessed what it is yet? That's right! Today, we are going to learn how to draw a school bus. So grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. Let's begin with the base of our bus. Start by drawing a straight line across your paper. Then, on the right and left edge of your line, draw 2 circles. You can erase the parts of the line that cross through the circles. Great job, everybody! These will be the wheels. To add some details, draw 2 more circles inside those main circles. Now, draw another circle inside each of those circles. Let's add an arch above each of the main circles. Each arch represents the space where the wheels go on the bus. Wonderful! We are almost done with the base. On both ends of our base, add 2 rectangles with rounded edges. Make sure your shape ends on each of the arches. Then, add a straight line between the arches. Did you know that school buses are often yellow because the color yellow can be detected very easily on the road? This way, kids are driven more safely to their destination. Onto the body of our bus. From the top part of the left rectangular shape, draw 3 sides of a big rectangle with rounded corners, starting from left to right. Once you are halfway through your 3rd line, add a small curve to pop out a bit. And then continue a straight line to the top of your base. Let's add 2 headlights so the driver can see when it's dark or rainy. On the right-hand side of the line you just drew, add your headlight by drawing a flattened rectangle with rounded corners. Add another smaller headlight on the back of our bus, right here. Now it's time to draw our windows. Inside the top part of our bus, draw 4 squares with rounded corners next to each other. Inside each squared window, add 2 long rectangles with rounded corners, just like sausages. Make one sausage smaller than the other. These shapes represent the light shining on the windows. Now, we need a side view mirror to make sure the driver can see what's happening on the road. On the bottom right of the square, furthest to the right, draw a small long rectangle with rounded corners. And from the bottom part of this small rectangle, draw a small curve that looks like the top of a hook. Just like that. There we go! Our school bus is all done. Now that we've drawn our shiny school bus, it's time to color it all in. As always, you can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. For our school bus, we'll be using yellow, orange, blue, light blue, purple, gray, black, and red. First, use the yellow crayon to color the entire body of your bus. Make sure to color around the squares. That looks great! Then, use your orange crayon to color in the base of your bus. That includes the straight line and the rectangular sides. Again, make sure to color around the arches and the wheels. Let's color in our windows. Take your blue crayon to color inside the squared windows. Make sure you color around your sausage shapes. Now take your light blue crayon and color in your sausage shapes. Well done, everyone! Your school bus is really coming to life. Now, grab your purple crayon and color in both your arches, or color in the spaces above your wheels. Then, use your black crayon to color in our main circles, along with the side view mirror. Well done, everyone! Let's do the same with our gray crayon. Only this time, color in the second circles with a front headlight. We will keep the last circles white, just like the color of your paper. And finally, take your red crayon and color in the back headlight. Our yellow school bus is finally complete and ready to take you on a fun ride. Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.
That was fun!